The skills in this program that the students will be learning are your basic hand tools and machinery. I love passing on and helping students find their niche. Woodworking is a very old trade. You're always in need of it, and we're putting out a lot of good students here, good woodworkers, good carpenters.
There's a wide range of skills, and all of them matter. Even one of the jokes that the professors told us was from how you sweep the shop. It shows your work ethic and how you choose to present yourself. You'll learn a lot of digital design, CAD, AutoCAD. You'll do a lot of pricing, the little things that people don't talk about, but you're gonna have to do or spend most of your time doing. Not only just using the machines and making it, but it's all the planning and it's the preparation that really makes woodworking what it is, and you get every bit of that.
The instructors here at St. Clair have diverse backgrounds in different things, such as design, interior design, construction, carpentry, finished woodworking, finished millwork, that help you get ready to step into the trade.
The professors are probably the best part. They're the part that I remember the most. I still keep in contact with them, and I plan to in the future. They guide, they coach, they teach, and they're there for you in more aspects than just the lesson plan. You learn a lot for your career, but I also learned a lot about myself and had constant support as I figured out how I was going to make my career work. And I take what they taught me, both in the class and in the hallways, every single day with me.
St. Clair is a great place to get training. All our staff are high quality staff. Staff in my department is very good. They all work in the trades because we have to be on top of our game when it comes to getting the students up to speed with what's going on in our industry.